Hey everyone, this is Jason Chapman with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to do a very brief walkthrough on a 2007 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer that just came in on trade. This boat has the twin MerCruiser 350 mags on it. Nice entryway into the boat here, seating on either side. Let's have the sink and the refrigerator. These boats are really meant for entertainment, days out in the lake, and the capability to overnight. We're seating on the port side here, and then our dual helm setup with our flip-up bolsters. Got a Ray Marine display screen, tacks and gauges, compass. Everything's going to be very accessible at the helm. So we make our way down into cabin space here. It's a really nice setup, especially for a 32-foot boat. You have a lot of space. It does have the isinglass, snap-in, snap-off canvas cover. Lots of storage underneath all the compartments here. Microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker. And again on this side, more seating on the starboard side. And then aft. And then really spacious head here as well. Again, this is a 2007 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. It's located here at our store in Rogers. If you have any questions about this boat or anything else we have in stock, please give us a call or stop on by. Thanks and have a great day.